I'm Chef Kyle Mendenhall, and I'm here to talk to you about Benchmade's new cutlery line. Wanted to go over some use and care of your Benchmade knives. When you're washing your Benchmade knives, it's very important that you use a mild soap and a non-abrasive cloth or sponge. It's important that you do not leave your knives in any water or liquid, and if there are any particles left on the blades, that they're removed and washed quickly. Once you've washed your blades, they can appear a little dull sometimes. The best thing to do is apply a little bit of food grade oil on the blade and the handle to bring back that shine. Over time, after repeated use, your knife's edge might become a little dull. But the great news is that you can send your knives to Benchmade, and with their LifeSharp program, they'll return your blade to a factory edge for free. For more details, visit benchmade.com.